back to my channel. This is all things fashion, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. So today we're going to be doing how to set up your at-home shoots. So today I'm just doing a product shoot though. I do shoot myself and sometimes every once in a while a model in my apartment, but today it's just a product shoot. Gonna walk you through how I shoot and even some of the things that I have to shoot quality content. Alright, so let's get started in this video. Yes, you guys, before we get started, yes, no makeup. This is we're working today. Work. Not all things of entrepreneurship is glamorous. Forgot to say that. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, so you see me, I'm getting ready to start putting everything together to start the shoot. Yeah, I'm walking around my apartment. Listen, I'm going to make the most of what I got, okay? What Nip say? You got to use what you have until you can have more. So I have my own backdrop. Now I got this from Amazon. Yes, I am an Amazon lover. I hate to say it, but everything that you see in this video, I got from Amazon, y'all. So I got my background paper from Amazon. The background stand from Amazon, yes. And honestly, I really just love Amazon because I like that free quick shipping because I be choosing to do product shoots the day before, and I be needing all of my stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get it from Amazon. Anyways, back to my shoot. So obviously my paper's a little quicker right now. I need to get it together, but I'm trying to start making all my stands. Now I have some shadow boxes. Yes, I also use a ring light that I'm using for my video, but I also use a shadow boxes, actually two. And I love shadow boxes because I can tell the difference when I'm doing product shots with just a ring light or when I add the shadow boxes. It just adds another element of light to the quality of the pictures. So I got these from Amazon. Yes, I will put the link below for the shadow boxes. They weren't too expensive and they're easy, very, very easy to set up. If I can do it, you can do it too, okay? So I got my own little shadow boxes going here. First off, I'm glad this video is a little old because girl, I need to go to the gym, okay? But I did lose 10 pounds. Shout out to me. Side note, this body looking better, but ignore the little body you see in this video. Anyways, back to my shadow boxes. So as you see, I'm putting my shadow box one up. Now I'm about to do the second one. And I think, honestly, when you're shooting, it's really all about what you do with the space you have. But basically, you know, it's not as wide as I would like it to be, but I really do work with what I have. And I think that's important when you're up and coming in a business and a company, even building your own brand. You got to work with the rims that you have. And yeah, so you see me using my shadow boxes here. And I'm going to make some magic, you guys. All of my production shots are done by me. I really just be working with the angles and making everything look good. And I do love Photoshop because that's where I go for all my edits. Oh, and you see I have an extension cord because my shadow boxes, the plugs are so short and I really don't understand that. So yes, I have to plug everything up using my extension cord. Even though these are safety hazards, yes, I'm very aware. But we're only going to use it for now, and then we're going to let it go. Okay, where did I go? I was obviously ripping and running, trying to get everything together. Oh, and now here I am, boom. So I also had like this silk sheet that I got from Amazon, just because I feel like it adds a little oomph to the quality of my my pictures. And honestly, sometimes it's boring just to look at a regular white backdrop. So if I have a little silk in the back, it looks a little cuter to me, honestly. So that's what I'm setting up right now. Once again, I got this from Amazon. Now, usually I iron it, but I was being lazy. So I'm just going to edit out all the little wrinkles. Oh, there we go. Yeah, now, once again, look at this shoe. It really don't look like nothing for real, but I'm telling y'all, when y'all going So.Fvshionable's Instagram and y'all see these, it looks so good. Oh, and you see I just put one of the shadow boxes on. Honestly, you can tell a difference right there. Oh, let's see, let me turn the other one up. Look at that. The lighting's already the quality of the lighting's already better. So, boom. Yes, I'm trying to make some IG content as well. That's why you see me walking around looking at my phone. But anyways, you can already see the lighting is better. So I really love shadow boxes. I will have to be a stand for shadow boxes until I die. All right, so you see me getting the product ready. Now, I should have moved some of the background so that I can fit it entirely, but that's neither here nor there. So I'm using my Canon camera. Yes, I did not get that from Amazon. I got that from Best Buy, but I am using my Canon camera to take some shots, and you can see I'm even trying to add a little decoration, I guess, or details to give the picture a little because sometimes, like I said before, it's boring to look at just product shots that are just bland and white. So basically that's how I set it up. But if y'all want to see the end product and what the content looks like, head over to So.Fvshionable on Instagram, put the link in the bio, and you can check out the product shots. So that was just a little bit of how I do my at-home shoots. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This channel is all lifestyle, fashion, and entrepreneurship. So if you like that content, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to like this video and comment if you want me to make more content like this for you guys. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. I did a little bit behind the scenes. Alright, until my next video. Peace.